Most people hear valve body and their eyes glaze over, but if you drive a Ford F-150, this little metal maze is the reason your truck shifts at all. Seriously, for about $600, it's responsible for every gear change you make. Here's the thing. If your F-150 is slamming into gears, hesitating before shifting, or revving like it's been possessed, it's almost always the valve body at fault. This tiny monster is like the bouncer at the club, letting fluid in and out with perfect timing until it doesn't. Okay, so imagine your transmission fluid is running a marathon. The valve body is setting up all the hurdles, deciding which path the fluid needs to take and when. When it fails, that marathon instantly turns into an obstacle course built by a toddler. Common pain point: panic when your check engine light comes on and transmission codes pop up. Some people spend $4,000 replacing the entire transmission when the actual root cause is a $400 part with $300 labor. Not great for the wallet. First step: diagnose before catastrophizing. Plug in a code reader. If you're getting P751, P0734, or P2700, there's a 70% chance the valve body is the culprit. Don't guess. Check those codes and look for harsh shifting or delayed engagement. If you're brave or just stubborn, you can pull your valve body out in a driveway, but I'll warn you, it's Olympic-level DIY. About 22 bolts, all prone to strip, with delicate solenoids hanging off it like Christmas ornaments. You don't want to break anything here, seriously. Professional shops do this swap in under 3 hours. If you try it, you'll probably need 6 hours, a good internet connection, and a sense of humor when you drop a bolt into the abyss that is your F-150's underbelly. Use a magnetic tray, that's my pro tip. Before you panic buy a replacement, check your transmission fluid. Low or burnt fluid can mimic valve body symptoms. Top up with Merkin LV if you're low. If the fluid is black and smells like burnt toast, you've got bigger issues. Replacement valve bodies aren't all created equal. Buy from a reputable place, OEM or trusted aftermarket. Beware the $90 knockoffs that claim remanufactured excellence but show up wrapped in newspaper. You'll get what you pay for, and usually a headache. When reinstalling, torque matters. If you over-tighten the bolts, you risk cracking the case, $700 mistake. Under-tighten, you'll have leaks that'll drain your wallet dry. The spec is about 96 in pounds. Double-check your torque wrench is set right. After the valve body goes in, expect a learning curve. Your transmission control module, TCM, has to relearn how to shift. For a few days, you might get weird shifts. This is normal. I tell people, drive it gently for 100 to 200 miles. Let the computer do its thing. People always ask if this job is worth it. The short answer, absolutely, if you plan to keep your F-150. A healthy valve body can get you another 100,000 miles. That's 3 or 4 more road trips, 100 more Home Depot runs, and several more years of reliable, drama-free shifting.